Oh, Jayport, the first driving. Guys, who is this? Jayport. Not bad. Remember brake. Stop sign. Indicator. Remember you turning. You good, boy. All right. The Jayport gone. Slow. You wouldn't go in the corner. Make sure you see what's coming in. Yes, sir. How you feel?
Good.
Guys, Jayport, his first driving lesson from Dad, and he's doing excellent. And he have his brothers in the back too. Oh, trust me, they're on the mission. Full time going around, yeah. You know what to do right here. You know what to do. Now watch him turn. Guys, tell me about the turn. How you think he's making the turn? Okay. Looking good. Looking good. Oh, Port is on it. Port is on it. What you do here? How long is... No. How long you supposed to start for? 3 seconds. Then you look and you go. All right, good job. Stop. What you doing, boy?